Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi friends and dosto. I am back with my second exciting podcast. I hope you loved my first podcast. And I am going to dedicate today's podcast to my dad. And you know why? Because it's his birthday today. He's a big man now. And you know, friends, I completely forgot that it was my dad's birthday. LOL. By the way, it was just to make my dad laugh. First of all, I'm going to sing a song for my dad to make him happy. So here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my best daddy. Happy birthday to you. I have a message for my dad. And it is a small poem. Stand Out Dad is the title. Dear Dad, it's your birthday today. And I want you to know I appreciate you more as the years come and go. All your good qualities stand out and shine. Fathers are priceless, and I'm so glad you're mine. Thank you for being my dad. Next, it is a meme. Now I have a funny secret message for my dad. Happy birthday, Dad. No matter what life throws at you, Dad, at least you don't have ugly children. And actually, you have the world's most beautiful child in the world. Here is a message for my friends. Always love and respect your dad. I also have a dua that I read every single day. And that's Rabbir Hamhuma Kama Rabbayani Saghira. And you know what does it mean? Oh my Lord, have mercy on them, just as they cared for me when I was little. Ameen. I hope you liked today's podcast. And once again, happy birthday to my dad. I love you a lot. Bye and Allah Hafiz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dearest daddy. I love you, Baba. I love you, Baba. I love you very much, Baba. I love you thousands and thousands and millions of times. May you live a long, long life. Ameen.